shi benta ban pentri kam bat penan kam yiki jingi kai kat kum ka juk jong ka science bat technology haki school puli nakaliang ka alumni association jong ka nativity higher secondary school mau kerwan menda ka sengi pali jong ka tayo kila let ban no senyang deki AI and robotics lab hapo ka nativity higher secondary school mau kerwan ka way ka school ka bahapo ka southwest castle district Uba ken pam V Carlingdo, President ka Alumni Association, jong ka Nativity High Secondary School mau kerwan, haba kerana ka jingilang ulak kentu iki kenna school, bat kinoi kai, ba habala a iki ni kitiar ban penan kam, kidai ban penan kam hakarukam ka badai kat kum ka jingla jong ki, kenang ba kan long ka jingmento yaki hakaliang jong ka jingnang jing start kat kum ka jung. Ulo ongru ba kini ki AI and Robotics Lab, kilong kitiar baningkong ban sam hapo kani ka school but what hapo ki school gibadan hapo West Castle District ha Eastern West Castle District but ha Southwest Castle District kibiledon lang ha kani ka sngi kilong na do upa ken pam V Carlingdo ubade President ka Alumni Association jong ka Nativity High Secondary School mau kerwan uba S Marwin ubade General Secretary jong ka Alumni Association jong ka Nativity High Secondary School mau kerwan kidukhat ka Alumni Association ki kena school bat ki nahi kai.
Once again in the name of the management
ikan mau ke school pinam telek ya rajang ke school ba pinam no senyang ban bangi kermen ba lesi maru lang ba ka website ka ba ngin yo ban le na buta ka school ro ngi la ban enroll ya ladi kum ki alumni hadin habut ne na du ba long school ro ban ngi yo ban contribute haman lagi project nam ta ka school to buat kala ka school te nam kala sibun insa kam keren kaminya Presiden te tanggini ngitin bakendiat soban kitbok iruyang ika school barak away makam tam bikin pendengkam ya kan ika robotic smart classroom na menta kajing bhajing mentoy na menta kajing piu jong PC mat ba na menta barak iway tanggini te bakendiat bless you
of us to stand here today as we officially handing over this robotic smart class, a gift from the alumni to our beloved institution that has shaped and molded where we are today. As we gather here memories of our schools, our school days come floating back, the classroom where we learn, the teachers who guiding us, and the friendship that shaped us. The school has been foundation of our lives, instilling in us the value of discipline, courage, and perseverance. Today, as alumni, it is both our duty and our joy to give something back to the school, to the institution that give us so much that as we are today. This school has always been a place where dreams begins, where knowledge, discipline, and values take root. And today we return to give back. We are not just giving the technology, but an opportunity for innovation, for creativity, and for the future. The robotic smart class represents more than just machine and screens. It represents a bridge between the traditional learning and modern education, between chalk and code, between past students and the future innovator like you. The world is changing rapidly, with technology leading the way. Robotic, artificial intelligence, and automation are no longer the future. They are the present. It is with this understanding that our alumni decided to create this robotic smart class, a space where young minds can explore innovation, experiment with technology, and prepare for the challenges and an opportunity for tomorrow. It is great pleasure also to the alumni to announce that as we have just will hand over the robotic smart class and its we have after we properly check the materials that it is with the school today, it is incomplete. So from the alumni, we promise to the school that we'll bring the screen, the projector, and the inverter, so that the school will get complete smart class, not only a robotic. Actually, the robotic, it's a robotic smart class, it's advanced after the screen, after the smart class, then will come the robotic. But for us today, we start first with the robotic, so that's why as an alumni, we have decided that we have to bring complete for the smart class.
Kani kedika artificial intelligence robotic. Kalau kedika kabanirap na kementai kena school hak kepada berka liang jungka sains dan teknologi. Di laraki ki kena school kedika berpenuh kamhai kani na kementai kenang ba kinyo na kementai ba kinyo ia kijinikai ke ba kamha nomor ba lembah kani ka intelligence artificial intelligence. Kalau ba keikan akak ada ban susu berka kamstet susu kepada berkijing wat jing tip na kementai ia kijinang jistat berka liang ka sains dan teknologi. Di kena school kini berperangkap mahal nak kementai kini berkunjur kini bertani kata kecil Koreas nak kementai nani kejengkok bantip kenang ba lembah kini kila bani obun ki kejengirap nak kementai hakabari berka jing QG state nak kementai jing Q state nak kementai ka hakabari berka SN teknologi nak kementai jadi kamta maki jingnang jingtip. Hakabari bat kinu hikai kalong ba kan sistem mentana marba nikong nak kalian juga hikai kelapan pau ba kecing hang ni hapo ka hani kecika juga kedika hakabari bat ka bat internet connection ka kambuna ba dina kalian juga hikai kelapan pau kita ba kedon kecing nak kementai juga kedi bat hakabari internet connection nak mentana marba ka internet hani kecika juga kalau ka slow ba di here lomba ni ba kini bro kini bangla bat solve ski nomor ba kinu hikai kin sa semjing eru kendia dah kabari berka kumnu ban operate nomor ba kari ka siningkong kumjuru mencuaru lara pipet ban operate wade ka mobile ka ba reski pada lomba mata baro beri ulalong acquainted berka mobile dikejuru kaniru kadi basin meningkong kamde ke basuk reski ngin salah ban pentulun nomor ba kan badang develop ya ka knowledge nata ban develop ya ka busuki ya kenu ndang ngila kam penun kam susu na kementai kenu kelombang ni ban ngin salah ban nang kenmau kumnu ban le ban ngin saban ngin sayo objektif kumnu ban le na kementai ban kampen ha na kementai hakabari bat hikai hakabari bat kumnu ban hikai bat minta teter na sarai ka na kementai kenu hikai ya menta kandai be ke kandon be ke cinge kenu nulung kasin kom kandon be ke cinge reski pada lomba kan wani